Hey guys, today I will show you how to stake your Ethereum right inside the Coinbase app. Quick, simple and beginner friendly. First open Coinbase and tap prices at the bottom. Scroll or search until you see Ethereum ETH, then tap it. Now on the ETH asset page, swipe down a bit and you will notice a staking card. Go ahead and tap start earning. Here Coinbase tells you the current reward rate about 2.1% APY plus the estimated yearly payout. You'll also see three key details: earning wait time, how long before rewards begin, payout frequency. ETH rewards drop roughly every 3 days, unlike Solana, which is quicker. Unstaking period: with Coinbase, withdrawing ETH takes around 13 days once you hit unstake. Ready to lock in? Tap stake all if you want every ETH in your wallet earning, or tap the amount field and enter just a portion. The little circle next to the ETH logo will show what slice of your balance you're staking. Next, tap preview stake, review the summary, then hit stake now. Coinbase will submit the order and a confirmation banner pops up once it's live. That's it, your ETH is now working for you. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and check the description for extra bonuses. See you in the next video.